Very good afternoon, student. Today going to revise the lesson Geography lesson 2 answer in brief. The first question, define meteorology, or you know that what is the answer? The branch of science. What is the branch of science concerned with the process of phenomena of the atmosphere. It means of forecasting the weather. And second one, what is the mean by normal lapse rate? What is that? What is the mean by normal lapse rate? The answer, temperature decreases at the rate of 6.5 degrees Celsius for every 1000 meter of ascent. It is called the normal lapse rate. And third question, what are the jet streams? What is the question? What are the jet streams? The answer, the jet streams are the fast moving the winds blowing in the narrow zone in upper layer of the atmosphere. Once again I read, jet streams are the fast moving the winds blowing in the narrow zone in the upper layer of the atmosphere. Second point, they play a vital role in the onset of the southwest monsoon and cause traffical depression both during the southwest monsoon and retreating the monsoon. And fourth question, write a note on monsoon wind. What is the answer? The word monsoon has been derived from the Arabic word mausoleum, which means season. These winds appear to flow from the southwest for 6 months and from northwest for another 6 months. In India, it is used to refer to the wind which reverses their direction in summer and winter. And fifth one, name the 4 distinct seasons of India. What is the answer? On the basis of the monsoon variation, the meteorologists recognize 4 distinct seasons in India. What are the season? They are, first one, winter or cold weather season, which month will be like January and February. And the second point, summer or hot weather season. It lies on May to March. Third, southwest monsoon or rainy season. It lies on June to September. The fourth one, the northeast monsoon season, is lies on October to November. The sixth question, what is the burst of monsoon? What is the question? What is the burst of monsoon? The first point, the southwest monsoon winds are moisture laden winds because they originate from the Indian Ocean. So when they approach in the southern part of the Kerala, they give rain with violent thunderstorm, including the onset of the monsoon and lightning. This is known as the burst of monsoon. The seventh one, name the area which receive heavy rainfall. So what is the question? Name the area which receive heavy rainfall. What is the area? The areas that receive 200 centimeter and above the rainfall annually comes under heavy rainfall regions. What is the place available? The western coast, Assam, South Meghalaya, Tripura, Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh. Eighth question, state the places of mangrove forest in India. What is the place? The delta of Ganga, the Mahanadi, the Krishna, the Godavari and Kaveri is covered with what is the forest? Mangrove forest in India. Name the trees of tropical evergreen forest. What is that? The tropical evergreen forests are found in areas where the annual rainfall is how many centimeter? 200 centimeter and above more. The most important tree of this forest are ebony, mahogany and rubber, rosewood, ironwood, cedar, bamboo, coconut and silicon and cedars. And what are any 5 biosphere reserves in India? What is the place? Agastya Malai, Dibra, Saigova, and Digong and Dibong, a Great Nicobar, Gulf of Mannar, the Nilgiris, and another one is the Sundar Bands. And 11th one, what is the project of Tiger? Why you are giving this title? The project Tiger is the project launched in what is the year? April 1973, which is the aim for conserve the tiger population, firstly constituted tiger reserve in India. That only one reason they have started to the project for tiger. This project is benefited tremendously with the increase of over 60%. The 1979 concerns with the population increase in another 3,050. Understood, student? Up to this 11 question you have read for the test. Thank you, student.